Hi guys, you've probably seen a lot of this in your timeline right now and it's quite the trend these days, so I got curious and today we're doing a tutorial on how to create that cartoonized dripping effect. You ready? So we're going to use Picsart. It's basically an app used to edit photos with a lot of creative effects to choose from. After adding the photo you want to edit, click Effects, then Magic, then Undead. Now adjust the effect depending on how you like it, but here I did it around 80 to 90 I guess. Click Apply on the upper right corner of the screen, then go back to Effects and choose Artistic. Select Oil Painting, adjust according to your preference. Cartoonized enough? Next step, let's click Cutout, then choose the icon that is shaped like a person. This will auto-select the subject and will remove the background in the photo. Select the eraser and clean out the edges. So we've already refined the edges. We have to save it as a sticker, so make sure that there's a blue check on the word sticker as you can see on the screen. After saving the photo as a sticker, click the plus button and go down and select color backgrounds. Then click Stickers to add our previously saved photo. Now click Add Photo to add the drip background effect, which I saved earlier. I'll also try to leave a link below so you can download this background. Again, click Sticker, search for any borders you like, but here I chose circle borders. There's actually a lot to choose from, so you can just scroll down and choose whatever you like. Select the eraser button on top of the screen. Can you see it? Now, as you can see, I'm erasing some part of the border to make our subject pop up. That's it. Now go ahead and save that photo. Ta-da! See you on my next vlog.